There are like 10,000 AI tools out there, maybe 40 are worth your time. The one I'm showing you today, definitely in the 40. What if instead of opening 5 different AI websites, switching tabs every few minutes and trying to figure out which model does what, you could access almost all of them from one place? I thought Poe was just another AI chatbot platform, but after spending some time with it, I realized it's trying to be something much bigger than that. And honestly, one feature completely changed how I look at AI tools. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately I've been testing a lot of AI tools, and one platform that kept popping up over and over again was Poe. Now if you've never heard of it before, Poe is basically an AI hub where you can interact with a huge collection of different AI models all inside a single interface. So instead of jumping between multiple websites, Poe puts everything together in one place. I spent some time exploring the platform, checking out the available models, looking at some of the creation tools, and seeing what the overall experience actually feels like. So in this video, I'll walk you through what Poe does, what stood out to me, and whether it's actually useful in everyday workflows. Let's get into it. The first thing that surprised me is just how many AI models are available here. When you open Poe, you're not looking at a single chatbot. You're looking at an entire ecosystem. I saw access to models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Perplexity, DeepSeek, and a bunch of others all sitting side by side. And that's probably the biggest appeal. Different AI models are good at different things. Some are better at reasoning, some are better for coding, some are focused on image generation, others are optimized for research. Normally you'd need separate accounts and separate interfaces to use all of them. Here they all live under the same roof, and that makes experimenting with different models surprisingly easy. One thing I've noticed recently is that the AI landscape has become kind of messy. Every week, there's a new model, every month there's a new platform, and before long you're managing multiple tabs, multiple subscriptions, and multiple workflows. Poe seems designed to reduce that friction. Instead of asking, which website do I need today? You simply start inside Poe and choose the model you want. That sounds simple. But if you're someone who regularly works with AI, that convenience adds up fast. It feels less like learning a bunch of separate tools and more like having one control center for AI. Let me show you the parts that stood out. First, there's the model library. This is where you can browse a huge collection of AI models across different categories. I noticed dedicated sections for chat models, image models, video models, audio tools, search-focused assistants, and programming-focused bots. That organization makes it easy to jump directly into whatever you're trying to do. Need help writing? Choose a chat model. Need an image? Pick an image generation model. Need video creation? There's a section for that too. Then there's the bot creation area. This is where users can build specialized bots for different purposes. And honestly, I think this is one of the strongest parts of the platform because it encourages customization instead of forcing everyone into the exact same experience. I also found the platform analytics section interesting. There are leaderboards showing popular models and trending bots, which gives you a quick snapshot of what people are actually using. It's a small feature, but it's helpful when you're trying to discover tools you might not have found otherwise. I also noticed there's a Pro plan available. Based on the upgrade screen, it unlocks broader access to advanced models and additional platform capabilities, along with higher usage limits and other premium features. For users who frequently switch between different AI systems, having those tools centralized could be one of the main reasons to consider it. After spending time exploring Poe, I think the platform's biggest strength isn't any single AI model. It's the convenience. The ability to access multiple AI systems, discover new tools, and even build your own custom bots from one interface makes the whole experience feel much more connected. Instead of choosing one AI ecosystem and staying there, Poe gives you access to a much broader playground. And in a world where new AI models seem to appear every week, that flexibility feels increasingly valuable. So that's my look at Poe. Have you tried it yet? If you have, I'd love to know which AI model or feature you use the most. Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this review and want to see more hands-on AI tool breakdowns, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.